How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy today because I was figuring out you to just hold a conversation. I'm very happy and thank you so much for joining up with me.
Welcome.
Thank you, my sister. Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco, and you?
Wow, Morocco. I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, nice.
Do you know my country?
Of course.
How?
I have a friend from Bangladesh.
Oh, you have a...
Yes. She studied with me.
In Morocco?
No, in Belgium, because I live in Belgium.
Oh, yeah, absolutely amazing. So you were originally from Morocco, but now you are studying in Belgium.
Belgium, yes, right.
Pretty cool. So how long you have been just doing a study in Belgium?
In Belgium, 4 years.
Belgium 4 years. Pretty good. But what actually you want to do after finishing your graduation? Do you want to live in Belgium? Either you want to go back to your home country, Morocco?
I don't know. Actually, I think I will go back.
Oh, okay. But what made you since to stay in Belgium? Don't you like to stay in your home country, Morocco?
Yes, I want to. I want.
Okay, it's okay.
I want to stay, of course.
Okay.
And you?
Well,
Do you study or?
Okay, me. I couldn't finish my graduation due to my financial problem, but Alhamdulillah, I can afford any other person study as well. But I want to be an international English blogger. So I'm gonna start this kind of vibe within a few weeks. So I'm gonna get a camera in this month, a laptop, and then I will go to Thailand for my first trip. And then I will move on to another country, which would be Morocco or any other Muslim country.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's great.
Absolutely. But I want to really explore at least 50 countries in my life. That's my target. Yeah.
Wow.
But what about your dream?
My dream.
Yeah?
I don't know how to say it in English.
But do you want to really get any government job, or you are very interested in business, either you want to travel across the globe? What's your interest?
Yes, I want to travel all the world and be a businesswoman. Inshallah, ya Rab.
Alhamdulillah, inshallah, and may Allah grant your hopes, and certainly you would be able to do that.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, my sister. But you will have to put a very determination in your mind, in your head. Keep that in your mind, that what you are going to be, okay? And work behind of this dream, and hopefully you would be succeed. But my first life was really too much dramatic, honestly. It was completely sad. Nothing really helped me to come at this position, but my hard determination is really changed my life actually. Okay.
Yeah, I get it. شكرا أبل. Hi, anti-socialist, لاباس.
But as I asked you, my sister, for one PK, so I won't really put you on my live for one more time. So on the other day, I would like to ask you another PK if you are free, but I'm very appreciated for you, sister.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, my dear sister, lots of love from Bangladesh, from me. But one day, remember, keep that in your mind, that Ghazi will be in Morocco anyhow, and I will try to find you. Okay.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, my sister.
Welcome.
Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
عليكم السلام. شكرا.
Okay, bye.
شكرا. باي.
Shukran.